Hi everyone, today is day 4 and my main focus would be adding lots of details to my artwork. This is a land area. I'm just trying to add that partition line with some details. You can add details for the tree as per your convenience and your choice. I am not adding that much detail. I'm just trying to enhance those trees so that it looks nice and beautiful. And at the same time, I'm also working on the reflection area. It is not necessary to make all the trees. You can do however it is comfortable for you. The main highlight of this painting is the clouds and the trees and the reflection area. So the main thing you can work on the green trees, which is going in a beautiful V shape. So I'm just trying to enhance those green trees so that I can have a wonderful shape here. I have already done the basic shape for the trees. So here now I am just adding more saturated colors so that the trees look vibrant and beautiful. You can also observe I am using a very thin brush so that I can have a great details. I'm not adding so much of details for the land so that the trees and land look different. When you keep your artwork upside down, you're able to see a lot of things from your reference image, and that will help you to create a lot of details in your artwork. So always try to rotate and keep your artwork upside down and create a lot of details. This is a wonderful tip. I would say this will help you a lot. As you can see in the trees, there is a lot of things I have to add. So I'm using a very thin brush and I'm trying to add all those details. My master always used to tell me this: patience is the key towards success. So having that patience and enjoying through the process is very important. So keep this in mind. You must be thinking, why should I add all these details in my artwork? It is not necessary, right? But when you add all these details, what is happening? You are growing, your mind is evolving, and even you are evolving. Can you observe here? My main focus is the trees which is going towards the clouds. That area is the most beautiful area, right? So I'm trying to enhance those area, and in the center I can just add a lot of colors and textures with a bigger brush as well and complete those area. And I always keep rotating my artwork and try to achieve those details by rotating and keeping my artwork upside down. So here is the reflection I'm doing, and it is a very easy thing to do, and there is not you don't need to create a lot of details here. So I'm trying to just add those colors so that it looks similar, and this is how I'm just trying to do the second layer. So here I'm repeating the same process for the sky because my sky is looking little dull. So I just want to add some more colors. So this is a very simple technique which is called wet on wet. So I'm just trying to add some more colors so that it looks like a reflection. When you're making a reflection area, you don't need to copy exactly the same as the sky is. You can add little lesser detail and complete the reflection area. So here I have used both the technique wet on wet and wet on dry. I have some masking fluid in my bushes area, so I'm just trying to remove it with my clean hands. So once this is done, I'm going to add some greens in this area. This is a very forgiving subject, so bushes you can do it by your own. Just add some colors, add some texture, and it is up to you how you want to create. Even you can add some different colors as you to show some flowers as well. I think when we were child, we used to make a lot of grasses, bushes, and so on. So use the same technique as well in your artwork. When you are making any reflection, I always try to take the measurement like this. So this is a very simple technique. You can just take the measurement with your hands or with your brush, and you can just make the reflection. This is very easy. And when you put a lot of your efforts, can you see the results? This is already looking good and it is not done yet.